Hello everybody, I'm Brad with Northern Brewer. I am the head development brewer at Northern Brewer, and we'd like to talk to you about our new recipe kit here. This is the Cosmic Trident, and what's really fantastic about this recipe is it showcases two brand new ingredients. The first being the Cosmic Punch yeast from Omega, and the second one would be the Trident Hop Blend from Hopsteiner. These two things put together, and the way the yeast works with all the hops, it really becomes an awesome explosion of aromas and flavors that you might not find in a beer fermented with a traditional ale yeast. So we're talking about aromas of passion fruit, guava, lychee. There's a good amount of citrus in there. And just the way that the recipe works, the way it's hopped, you can see it's ever so slightly hazy. And what's really cool about this new strain, Cosmic Punch, is it actually is genetically the British Ale 5. However, it has been slightly modified so that it really produces crazy thiols. And what thiols are is the aroma compounds. And you can smell this beer almost come into your face. It's got that much aroma to it. And otherwise, you can expect the exact same fermentation kinetics as you would from British Ale 5. So the fermentation time, lag phase, everything else is identical to British Ale 5. But the aromas are just amped up, and the Trident is perfect to blend in with that. That really gets those aromas cranking. And so to talk a little bit about the actual recipe and the brewing techniques for this, it's just 2-row malts, so it's very simple. Didn't want to let anything get away in the get in the way of the hop flavors, get in the way of all the thiols and aromas produced by the yeast. So the grain bill is incredibly simple. And then we bitter it slightly with Cascade just to get some IBUs. And then we do 2 Whirlpool additions with Trident, and then also 2 separate dry hopping additions with Trident. And what this does is gets all those oils from the Trident hops into the wort, and that allows the Cosmic Punch yeast to go to town on those oils and transform them into other aromas and flavors that might not necessarily exist in the hops in the first place. So it's really just a 1-2 punch of new, really cool ingredients. Cosmic Trident Hazy Pale Ale, available online at northernbrewer.com, available in both extract and all grain versions. If you like videos like this about new beer kits, go ahead and give it a like, smash that subscribe button, ding that bell, so you know when our newest beer kits come out.